What is up, San Diego City College? It's no secret that studying is one of the most important aspects of academic success. But having the right conditions to focus is essential. I'm your host, Trey Sean, and here's a top 5 list of the best study spots on our campus. Coming in at number 5, our first study spot is a great place if you want to be at the center of it all. That is, if you don't mind the walking distance. Corin Plaza is located in the middle of campus between the L and C buildings. The plaza has plenty of benches and shade to stay out of the sun. If you like a breath of fresh air as you focus, this calming area is an ideal spot. You can enjoy ambient noises or plug in some headphones and jam out. But there is a drawback. You won't find many places to plug in a charger for those longer study sessions. But overall, the plaza's location is great if you need a quick refresher. What a great way to get those steps in. That spot not your style? I thought so. Only the best spots for my study peeps. I give it a 5 out of 10. The number 4 spot will surely satisfy your study necessities once and for all, no questions asked. The MS building is our next study spot. Right when you enter, you'll be greeted with a small lounge to sit and work on your studies. What makes this spot special is the convenience store next door. Well, ain't that convenient? Telling you we've got cold drinks, warm drinks, and all the chips you could ask for. Heck, we even have sweets or candy for the sweet tooths. Gotta go? There's a bathroom inside. You can also park your bike outside on the racks. Just go to the corner of 16th and C Streets. Looking at our campus map, you can see we were here, and the MS building is all the way over here. I give it a 6 out of 10. I can see that the food has piqued your interest, but the lounge was just a little too small. Let's go somewhere with more breathing room. Just give me 1 second and I've got just a spot for you at number 3. Have you thought about checking out Cafe at City for more than just food? Located next to the A building in Gordon Quad, you can find the campus cafeteria. With more space than the MS building, your study buddies won't feel left out. And when you get hungry, try out the night market and fuel up on delicious brain food. And of course, we have bathrooms here. Don't have a laptop? Luckily, the cafe has you covered so you can search and search to your heart's content to find the answers you need. The definite highlight is the campus store next door so you can purchase your tools for success. The cafeteria has all the essentials for a great study spot. I'd say this has earned itself a 7.5 out of 10. You can't go wrong with a place like this. I hope to see you there working hard. We'll be shifting back to the outskirts of campus for our next spot. At number 2, check out the Science Building, located on 16th Street across from Garfield High. On the second floor, you can find the spot that will have you studying at peak performance. It's got the space you need to feel comfortable, and there's plenty of places to sit. There's a great view through the window so you can see the outside without leaving. And who could forget about the snacks? We can find vending machines on the first floor. Bathrooms are next to the elevators, and there's one on each floor. What more could you ask for from a study spot? It even has a whiteboard. So why not stop by the Science Building? You could be studying like a king. On the map, we can see the Science Building is all the way over here. The view and atmosphere are what land this spot as 8.5 out of 10. I have just one more spot that will take the best of all of our last locations and turn up the volume. Now let's see the number 1 spot. The best study spot on campus is the L building, also known as the Academic Success Center. It's the perfect place for all your study needs, and you'll find it located on the second floor. What makes this spot amazing is the English, math, and tutorial centers. Each center has tutors there that help you with anything. These tutors are for anyone with any major. That means even a film student like me can come to the English Center and get help creating their desired movie script. There are plenty of classrooms and computer rooms to work in, and when the studying takes its toll, take a deserved break with the massage chair to relax your muscles. Out of all these spots, this one has earned a 9 out of 10. I might have to use a massage chair after this. You've seen my top spots. How about yours? Let us know your favorites by commenting on this video or on social media. Find us there at SD City Times. For CTTV, I'm Trayshawn, and these are my top tips.